In this video we are going to show you how to remove the monitor for Honda Accord 2020, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this blue dashboard removal tool and the long Phillips screwdriver. We already made everything loose. This is just for the demonstration only. The first step, you pop up this panel under the AC vent, and these are the clips which are holding it. So when you insert your tools, try to put it close to this clip so it pop out easily. And then you pop out this side panel, just push it out, and then we pop the vent for the AC. It does not have any screws, it's just only clips. And then we pop up this whole AC control with the bezel out. Just pop out, no screws involved either. And you can just leave it on the side. And there are two Phillips screws which is underneath the monitor, which is hard to see in the video. You just insert your Phillips screwdriver all the way, and then you would be seen. Yeah. And once you get those two screws out, and then you can remove the monitor. And it has only 3 connectors. And if you need any repair for this monitor, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.